puppet! Get in here.
What?
I am afraid of the dark. You come sleep with me.
Okay.
Come here. Come, touch my hand. Touch my hand. Okay.
Okay. I mean, we did sleep together before in the Zombie Apocalypse Part 2. Or, yeah, Part 2.
Had to fact check that.
Well, anyway, okay. I'm not gonna sleep with you in the same bed, though.
It's because I have a helmet, isn't it? Ah!
No, it's not. It's not. It's not.
It's because of my pencil.
No.
Yes. Look at me. Look at my.
No.
I'm missing a chromosome. My brain is undeveloped. Give me this. Okay, come.
Fine.
Come here. Come in my arms. Yeah, you like that, don't you, dirty dog?
No.
Yeah, you do like that.
No, I don't.
You dirty dog.
This is creepy.
Come here. Okay. Batman. You can be I'm sorry. I'm just laughing at all the poop that's coming out of my butthole right now. I'm Batman. You can be my Joker. Sweetie.
No, I'm not.
Smack my diaper. And Mr. Chromie, can you help a homie? Oh my god. Put me under the covers.
No.
Smack me.
What?
Butthole, smack it. That was my chest. You know where to go. Nope. You missed.
What do you?
You freaking dingus, Kate.
Okay. What? Okay, that.
Did you see that? Good night.
Good night.
Good night, Dragon Puppet.
Avocados from Mexico. Okay, Dragon Puppet. I know, don't turn the lights off because I really like falling asleep in the light and then waking up and then the lights being back on. I'm gonna scream. 4, 1.
Kill me. A penis. Time to go up. Time to get up and drink out of my. Okay, time to get up and drink out of my Lululemon water bottle. Overpriced and crap. Throw it to the side. I'm back. me.
I can't scream
Oh, dab me up. Go on, dab me up. Bet.
What?
Okay, I'll deal with that in a second. I gotta drink some more Lululemon water. Curve to the side. God. No! Yeah! Yeah, take that, poopy head.
The next morning. Okay.
My bad, chat.
Okay. So, where's the elf? Ooh, oh, tee. You
So evil. You're gonna touch it?
sit down! I'm tired of you.
Oh, Daddy. You're bad. Sit down.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that elf was so scary. Very scary. Oh my god, okay, no, not today, not anymore. Whew. Okay, the door's locked. Whew, yeah, scary. Oh my god, what? Yeah. You're bad, elf.
Huh. I must find a way to get my vengeance. But how? I'll think of one overnight.
Babble, 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 babble. Ooh, what do I have here? It seems like a little dragon puppet who's sleeping on the stairs. Let's just move him there. Yummy.
Darn. Got a little surprise for them.
Oh, my ADD and my ADHD is acting up right now.
Wait a minute.
Pee-pee. I'm gonna eat Daddy's balls.
I'm gonna hit Jeffy.
Excuse me, sir, but you will not be eating me. Oh, shoot. Dragon puppet, don't look behind you, because you, my boy, you are cooked.
What? Wait a minute. What is the elf doing here?
All right, my boy. See you later. Uh-oh.
Oh, Jeffy, go on without me. Oh, Jeffy, I've been hit. Man down, mate. Oh, Miss Scallywag, I think I've got hit in the ballsack. Hit me. And for you, Jeffrey, I got an extra special for one.
No, you
Green.
Oh gosh, my aim sucks.
Bruh, you gotta be kidding me right now. Wait. Didn't love you like I love you. And also, tasty.
Oh wait, I'm fine. Wait up! Run, Jeffy!
You think that would hold me off?
You freaking mind! You're so done, bud. Yeah, you're done. You're done. You're done. You're done, bud. Yeah. Huh. Yeah.
You're done, bud.
You're gonna pay for that. No chance. I got a black belt in Karen. Subscribe for part 2.